Hello again, and welcome back to another quick and easy, super healthy 15-minute recipe. Today I'm going to be making sauteed kale with orange bell peppers, red onions, garlic, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. Now this recipe can be cooked in large batches and used for meal prep. It can be used as a side dish for your lunch or dinner, or it can even be a midday snack when you want to get some quick greens in. So as you can see, I'm getting everything chopped up and ready to saute. I always cut off the ends of my garlic just as a personal preference in preparation for my garlic mincer that I talk about all the time. I never chop garlic anymore. This is the best thing since sliced bread, seriously. And I got mine actually from Marshall's. They have like really neat kitchen stuff, and I was just going down the aisle. I bought one before and it just didn't work very well. I said, let me give it another try, and I bought this in struck gold. So I have been using it ever since, and I absolutely love it. And if you notice, I sprayed my orange bell pepper with a fruit and veggie cleaner that I actually made myself. I am going to be doing a video on how I made it. It's super simple. I used to buy it in the store, and I said, you know what? I have all the ingredients at home. I'm going to make it myself so I can refill it whenever I like. And I use it for everything. I buy mostly organic produce, but I also use it for my conventional produce if I happen to have some of those on hand. Here I have some kale that I've already chopped up, washed, and bagged it. This was kale that I had in my refrigerator that I actually kind of forgot about. So I am going to be cooking this up with some peppers, the onions I chopped up, as well as the garlic right here. So I'm going to add this to the pot and just let it cook down with some vinegar, apple cider vinegar, some olive oil, and some salt and pepper. Let's get started. Okay, so the onions and peppers are sauteed down pretty well, and the garlic. Now I'm going to add as much kale as will fit. I have a big bag full. I'm just going to add a lot to it. And I'm going to cover it so it can cook down some. This seems like a lot, but it's going to shrink. All of it's going to shrink. And then I'm going to add about a fourth a cup, maybe a little over a fourth a cup of water. And then I just have a little bit of vinegar left in here, literally just a little bit. I have a new bottle over there. I'm just going to add the rest of this. I don't know how much it is. I'm just going to add it. And you really don't need a lot of vinegar because the taste is so strong. So I'm going to cover this up. So here we are. This is what it looks like. Doesn't this look marvelous? Absolutely marvelous. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It looks so good. I'm probably gonna have to season it a little bit more. It looks so yummy. And this can be used like as a meal prep side or something to munch on throughout the day. So yummy, yummy, yummy.